All right, you seen the title and the thumbnail. We about to get busy over in this kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this broccoli hamburger casserole. Man, when I tell you this is delicious, it's delicious. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of our recipe. Back here we have our broccoli, our ground beef. I'm using some Kobe Jack cheese, heavy whipping cream, beef broth, chopped onions, garlic powder, onion powder, garlic cloves, Italian seasoning, salt, smoked paprika, black pepper, and we have olive oil there. That's all you need, guys. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up some olive oil. When the pan heats up, we're gonna add our ground beef. And we're just gonna brown this and break it up as we go. You can hit that with a little salt and a little pepper. And we're gonna continue to cook that until it's brown all the way through and there's no more pink. All right, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna just move our ground beef just to the side. If you got a lot of fat, you may wanna drain that off. As you can see, I don't have much fat in mine. We're gonna add our onions now, along with our garlic cloves. And we're gonna let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 1 minute, you wanna start mixing it all together and finish sauteing it for the next minute or two. After that next minute or two, we're gonna go in our broccoli florets. And we're gonna get this mixed in here. We're gonna hit this with a little Italian seasoning, our salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Next, we're gonna go in with our beef broth. We're gonna get this covered up and let this cook for the next 5 to 7 minutes on medium. A lot of you guys have been asking about this, and I am excited to finally say it's here. My highly anticipated hardcover cookbook, Still Not a Chef, is available right now for pre-order. You guys know it's all about real food, bold flavors, and cooking with no pressure. So if you've been waiting on this, link in the video description. All right, guys, after that 5 to 7 minutes, we're gonna remove our lid. We're gonna pour in our heavy whipping cream. Reduce our heat to low. We're gonna get this mixed in just to get it all combined. So last thing we're gonna do is add our Kobe Jack cheese to the top. We're gonna cover this up for about 2 to 3 minutes until that cheese is melted. All right, so after that 2 or 3 minutes, we're gonna remove our top. Guys, take a look at that. That looks delicious. We're gonna turn our heat off. Let's head over to our cutting board so we'll get into the final presentation. And there you have it, broccoli hamburger skillet. Drop in the comment section below, let me know what you think about it. Let's jump into quality control. All right, so we're gonna bring these groceries to the front of the congregation right now. Man, take a look at that right there. Ooh, man. Let's go ahead and test this baby out. I need some of that cheese and that broccoli on there. Ooh-wee. That's that ooh-wee. Oh, look at that. This baby's so broccoli, ground beefy-y, cheesy-y. Oh man, definitely a nice little keto meal. You gotta try this one out. So y'all already know what this is. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. Oh, man.